People have been using loans, like home improvement loans, to better their lives for over 1,000 years. About 1,500 years ago, two Roman brothers did just that. They took out a loan for what they called personal needs. This could have been a new kitchen, giant bay windows, or even a shower that rivaled any Roman bath. If the brothers lived in this millennium, they'd notice that financing a home improvement project can be confusing. They may not be alone in this view. Marcus by Goldman Sachs presents Home Improvement Loans. Let's break down some of the options. A home equity loan, also known as a second mortgage, requires you to borrow against the equity in your home in exchange for a lump sum. You then pay this back with interest over a fixed period of time. These loans could require an authorized appraisal. Unlike a home equity loan, a HELOC provides you with a credit line, which you draw against up to a specified credit limit, similar to a credit card. Credit cards, like HELOCs, provide a line of credit that you draw from and replenish as you make purchases and payments. Credit cards don't require you to borrow against your home, but could come with high interest rates and fees. Some contractors offer their own home improvement financing with variable or fixed interest rates. However, there could be hidden fees baked into these financing options. Finally, there are home improvement loans like the ones we offer at Marcus. Marcus Home Improvement Loans are a type of unsecured loan. This means they are loans based on your creditworthiness and ability to pay, not tied to a valuable piece of collateral like your home, car, or the brother's centuries-old porcelain doll collection. Interest rates on Marcus loans are fixed. No. Fixed as in our interest rates don't increase over time. These fixed rates could be lower than high-interest credit cards, which could save you money, and our loans have no fees ever. Marcus Home Improvement loan terms, or the length of the loan, range from 3 to 6 years. And because we offer fixed monthly loan payments, our home improvement loans could be much easier to manage and work into a budget. Plus, you control the money you receive. And finally, Marcus Home Improvement Loans have an easy application process. If your application is approved, you may receive your funds within 5 days. So before you start your next home improvement project, consider Marcus for a home improvement loan, whether you're a suburban homeowner, a city condo resident, or two ancient brothers with a home and a dream. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with someone who may be interested. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos answering common questions about finance.